two buttons are going to create thunder and lightning first. There it comes. Give it a second. There it is. Okay, so that thunder is a soundtrack, and we hide the speakers up top. The lightning that you're seeing over there, that's a snow light. Pretty basic, right? Now check this out, guys. Look, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'll hit those 3 buttons, and then here it comes. Woo! It shoots the water up in the air. It falls right back down naturally, just like so. Pretty cool, right? So, guys, yeah, get a picture, get a video. This is how we can create weather in Hollywood. And then watch what happens when I hit the red button. When I hit the red button, it all turns off instantly because I'm controlling it. So, yeah, go ahead and get that photo. All right, now watch this. 1, 2, and 3. Boom, you hit that red button and it turns off. Oh, hang on a second. It's not turning. It won't turn on. I'm going to do a quick reset. I'm going to reset the whole system. I don't know what's going on. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm so sorry, you guys. Oh, first car. I hit the wrong button. I am so sorry, you guys. I hit the wrong button. Oops. My bad. Sorry, guys. Hey, guess what, everybody? There's no buttons up here. I was just going like this the whole time. There's literally no buttons. Okay, you guys.